Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to start and complete activities within the particular project and how the same affects the other details within the project planning board of the same. Once the user navigates to the project application, he or she can simply click on any particular project and navigate to the planning board of the same. In the existing details, we can notice the Gantt chart that is present here with the various color codes that are available. In order to view it clearly, the user can expand the same and also remove few column configs. Once done, the Gantt chart can be expanded properly, and in order to start an activity, the user can simply click on the entity that is present in the Gantt chart and select the Start Activity option. Here, the user can also click on the various entities that is present in the planning board, and the same pop-up will be displayed. Once clicked, the activity is started successfully. One point to be noted is that in order to complete the same activity, all the child activities that are present within the parent activity need to be completed. Else, the complete activity won't be working. Now, in order to cancel the particular activity, the user can simply click on the Cancel Activity option, and based on access, the activity can be cancelled. Comments can be added within a particular activity as well. And the stakeholders who are tagged will be notified the same. Attachments can also be added for a particular item. Now, the same can be done for any type of entity, that is an activity, a milestone, or a project as well. Now, for an open milestone, if the activity is started and completed, the statuses are changed accordingly. Once the activity is started, the status changes from open to execution, and once the activity is completed, it is changed to yet to be built, where these yet to be built milestones are landed within the Invoices Act of the KEBS. This section is covered in other video sections that have been previously made. Once the milestone is built and the customer payment is received, the statuses are changed accordingly. For example, here the payment receipt status is present. Here the bill status is present. So, based upon the start and completion of the activities, the status changes can be visible in the project planning dashboard. Thank you for watching.